Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox Crash. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First of all, try running Roblox as an administrator. For that, I am going to search for Roblox in the search bar and then select Run as Administrator. If this doesn't work, then you can try the next trick. Simply search for Disk Cleanup in the search menu and then delete all of the unnecessary files from the local disk C. After that, simply open the device settings and go to the Apps section. Open it up, locate Roblox's app, and uninstall all of the profiles. Now, open Run by pressing Windows plus R. Search for %temp% and then locate and delete the Roblox folder. Once done, open Run again, search for app data, and then follow me to this folder. After you are here, simply delete the Roblox folder again and close everything. Open a preferred browser, search for Roblox download, then download and run its setup. Or you can just open the Microsoft Store and download Roblox from there as it is more stable. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Crash. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.